Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Mary's Creative Decor. Good morning, everyone, and here I am again standing in my guest bedroom. Well, it's summer and it's time for an update. And if you watched my previous videos, you know my husband took my sanctuary. So now I'm going to transform this into my sanctuary. So, of course, the dark color has to go. The blue has to go. I'm going to put a larger television in here and I'm going to make it dreamy just for me. So if you want to see the transformation, stay and decorate with me. Now today is a little gloomy outside, so because it's gloomy outside today, the room is not as bright as it normally would be. I did have to close the shade a little to keep some of the sun out, and I'm just going to turn the camera around. Okay, I closed the shade, and that was just to keep some of the sun or the brightness from coming in. But what I want to do is change the room around. I want to get rid of the blue and go to something light and bright. The navy will have to go, and I want to bring in shades of pink. I want to do this on camera. I want to do a decorate with me. So I want to put sprinkles of pink throughout the room. So stay tuned with me, guys. Okay, everyone, now here is my room completed. You're looking at my dresser with sprinkles of pink throughout the room. And here is one of the nightstands. There's my bed, and there's the other nightstand. Now, throughout the rest of the video, I'll be making little changes to the room just to get it to my desired look. But just keep watching. So just by looking at my bed, the only thing that was purchased was the comforter or the quilt. The quilt was $35 from Amazon, and I'll leave the link below. I did add some pink roses, and those, of course, came from Dollar Tree. I also added pink flowers in the vase that I already had. I did not change my flooring or my rug. So now once again, I changed it up just a little bit. I added more pink to the nightstand. I added a tray for my remote on my bed. Changed the pictures on my dresser, and just added that pair of glasses, a pink pair of sunglasses. And I have plenty more where those came from in all sorts of colors. Just sprinkles of pink throughout the room. And here on the wall, I changed the artwork. Now, that artwork is a little bit different. I completed this artwork just a few weeks ago to go with the room. I think it's absolutely beautiful and works well inside the room. You can see sprinkles of pink in the painting as well. Now I did bring up my chair from the dining room. I brought a larger TV into the room, not a lot bigger, but just a little bit larger. Once again, I think my room is absolutely beautiful. And so you know the pink rose pillows, those are pillow covers and they were from Amazon. I kept my chest very simple because I didn't want it to interfere with the television. Back here on my dresser again. Now there is just one picture, but I did do a little DIY and you'll see that in just a little bit. The fur throw I already had. The curtains I already had. And here you can see I put my two little hearts on the nightstand and I moved the larger heart to the dresser. And there is my picture. I changed it just a bit. And again, I will dress it up a little bit later in the video. Just stunning it is. Now I did put the gray chair here under the picture. Let me know what you think. I'm going to move it in just a little bit for another idea. Also, my painting was created to hang horizontally, but right now I have it vertical. Again, I'll switch it up in a little bit, and I want to know in the comments section what you guys think. Now you can see on the bed I did add a little glass tray and I just set my remotes on that. Now here are my nightstands. I have my little heart says love, and these are from my son. And on the other side it says best mom ever. Absolutely love them. Again, I spent no money in this room. And here is yet another update to the room. I turned the picture horizontally, and this is how I created it. Now tell me what you think in the comment section, whether you like the room like this. I moved the chair over. The gray chair is gone with a smaller one. This is a perfect seating area for putting on socks and shoes. Tell me what you think. Now in this corner, I took away the small chair and brought the gray chair over. And I think it's a perfect place to sit to watch the TV. And we'll leave the little table here just in case you want to have a drink. Moving right over to the dresser here. I love my candle, another gift for my son. First my mother, forever my best friend. I had to incorporate that candle in the bedroom because it was pink. And of course you see my sunglasses have many sunglasses. So I thought these would be cute on display. And here is the last DIY. Just a little update to a plexiglass frame that I had. I put my husband and myself picture in it, and I think it turned out absolutely beautiful. Very simple, and just add a little bit more bling to the space. I'm going to stand back here at the front of the bed so you can see the room from another angle. Absolutely beautiful. And if you guys have enjoyed this video as much as I have enjoyed making it, You know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Share it with your friends and family. And don't forget that notification bell so you'll be aware of all my upcoming videos. I want to say thank you all for watching and have a wonderful, wonderful day. God bless, and I'll see you in the next one.